all of us can work together for security program.
My Naija I don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a story where we say it just happened. Some French musicians then don't come they sing P-Square testimony song to entertain the crowd when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and a wife will be Remi Tinubu land for inside France for that 3 days visit.
Now I'm giving my testimony, I'm killing a bit and I'm giving the heat, so hey. Now I'm giving them everything, I'm living my life, I don't have money, hey, I don't take money, hey.
The General Council don't reappoint the Director General of the World Trade Organization will be Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala for the second time, and it will start from 1st of September 2025. The Ogbonge Nigerian Nollywood actress will be Omotola Jalade aka Omo Sexy don dey thank God for her health after we say she talk say doctor come dey tell her say they no fit do anything at all but say but na God na him come save her life. As she come dey talk say the sickness started then we say she go the Academy voting member viewing of the Gladiator say na there the sickness come start as they come rush her they go hospital. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come dey tell the president of France wey be Emmanuel Macron come dey talk say for insecurity for inside Nigeria say they don work am well say like this now say Nigeria don dey very secure for any of them to come invest for inside Nigeria come dey talk say pertaining to education say Nigeria get plenty people wey be say they go school well wey be say they dey very educated and they dey ready for France people to come to train them for any skill.
We are doing better now in the area of security. I can assure all the investors here that Nigeria is open for business. And I thank you for your collaboration. Vital to this is the education of our children. We have a vibrant youth population that is well educated and ready to be trained.
The investigation and enforcement team will be NAFDAC don come go raid Taya village wey dey for trade fair complex inside Lagos State as they come seize some fake drugs dem wey be amoxicillin 500mg, ampiclox capsule 500mg and other ogbonge drugs dem wey be say they be fake. They seize all of them. The billionaire businessman wey be Joey Zaza don come do small traditional wedding ceremony for inside parlour as plenty Nigerian celebrities dem come dey hail am. They congratulate him for his wedding. We go well. The Nigerian Army don come arrest the investigative journalist wey be Fisayo Shoyobo for inside illegal oil bunkering site. They arrest him 3 days ago, and at the 6th Division of Nigerian Army for inside Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Now they arrest him. The Lagos State Environmental Task Force will be Kai don come arrest this man for on top Jibowu Bridge as him come try go dey remove iron and screw wey they use to build the bridge. And now Osho the magistrate court now they come carry the man to go as they come sentence him for 4 months imprisonment. This female youth couple don come post this picture of her uniform, NYC uniform wey don tear as she come dey talk say na one teacher na him beat her come tear all her clothes. Didn't wait say she go collect her clearance later for inside the junior secondary school for Kulele Ilori for Kwara State. Say because she not greet the teacher well. The China Hunan province scientists don come see one place where plenty gold dey for Wongo gold field, and the gold then reach about 1,100 metric tons them, where the gold they cost reach about $100 billion. They don't arrest this woman wey wear Lord choosing apron clothes after we should go through with dirty for road as Lagos State government saying all those dirty wey they throw away for road. Now they block gutters, we say water no dey fit dey flow well. As the Lagos State Environmental Task Force come arrest them, come they warn all the locations them will say they no go take this kind of like you. So anybody where they go see again they throw dirty for road or they block gutter, say that person go must face the law.
Madam, come. Go and pick that waste. Why do you have to drop it? Go and pick it up. Madam, carry that in. You will follow me. Oh. You don't know that it's wrong. You don't know, you will come and explain to them that it's wrong.
About 4,449 Economy police officers don come carry Nigerian police force and also Inspector General of Police to take go court as they come talk. Say this lawsuit na National Industrial Court na they carry take go for inside Abuja. Say because they no gree, they promote them after wey the police commission don come approve their promotion according to their law. They not still promote them. The appeal court wey dey for inside Lagos State don come stop the J-term of Dr. Femi Olaleye, wey be the managing director of Optimal Cancer Care Foundation, where they accuse the same for snack kpekus of one girl wey be rape. As the appeal court come out come talk on Friday, November 29, 2024, say the lower court wey first of all judge the case say do mistake for their judgment. Say because e no get direct evidence as appeal court come discharge come acquit Dr. Femi Olaleye.
Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.